Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. Stay home and be safe in this lockdown period. And today's recipe is a very simple poha mixture. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Now add half cup of peanuts and roast well. Now add half cup of roasted dal, also called as putnal papu in Telugu. Now add 1/4 cup of dry coconut pieces. This is optional. Half cup of cashews, half cup of almonds. Fry until they turn into golden brown in color. If you want, you can add curry leaves also. To this mixture I have added 4 cups of poha. Roast this poha until they turn crispy. Now add salt as per your taste, 1/4 tsp turmeric powder, 1/4 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1/4 tsp or half tsp chaat masala. Mix well, switch off the flame and transfer to the another bowl. Friends, if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Do try this and post your comments in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day.